So last year at Rotor Live 2025, Vava had an amazing crash in the quarterfinals of the 3D competition. It consisted of a tail strike, a boom strike, a blade fold, but let's have a look at the clip before we break it down.
Oh, that's it. Oh!
Totale fatality.
Oh, it's still going.
Oder
What? What? No way.
Ja, Vava hatte mal gezeigt.
Now let's have a look at that in slow motion before we break it down. So he's just finished the previous maneuver and he goes into a left rudder pirouetting outside loop. At this point he reverses the pirouette direction and it's going to reach the bottom of the loop just above the rail before he goes up to complete the second outside loop. He stops the pirouette here but is still on the way down. At this point he's below the rail and starting to come up. He clips the rail with the tail here and you can see a piece of the tail blade shoot up and away. With only partial tail blades, the helicopter is pirouetting left fairly quickly. The pirouette rate slows here and then speeds up again, like he dropped to a lower head speed as if to land. As the model is level, he then changes his mind and puts the power back on. He continues to do pitch pumps to the music. He controls a piroflip to regain control inverted and then pitches out to get height. At this point the boom is snapped due to the unbalanced tail and he's about to have a boom strike. Here the belt is ejected out the back and there's bits of main blade, boom, fin and tail box all over the place. This looks like the tail box over on the right. The main blades look a bit shorter, but Vava is keeping the power on. He has no control, but adds pitch when it's upright to stop it going into the ground. He finally gives up and turns the motor off. And then right here the head speed drops, the helicopter gets a wobble and the blades fold. And that's it, 20 seconds of absolutely amazing flying. Now if you want to see the full clip, I'll put a link in the description and hopefully we'll see you at Rotor Live this year.